Welcome to your 4-minute daily tarot. This is going to be for Wednesday, March 13th. If you are just tuning in, thank you so much. My name is Rachel, and I'm the owner of Reiki with Rachel, where I specialize in distance energy work and personal card readings. Let's get started with today. Today is a good day. Today is a good day for emotions. Yesterday we got the card to it said if any emotions come up, to allow it to process, and I think y'all did that because today is a good emotional day. So we get the Sea Guardian and then the Three of Sea. In the traditional tarot, these are Cups cards. So this is the Knight of Cups and the Three of Cups. And the Knight of Cups is talking about being ready to move forward. Then the Sea Guardian is determined, only looking forward, feeling confident in where he's going. And then the Three of Sea is the Three of Cups, which is just a celebration. Look how happy all these dogs are. The one has a little fish in his mouth. They're all celebrating something. They're all I feel like they all just went fishing, doggy fishing, and they got all of these crabs and fish, and they're saying, wow, look at everything that we've gotten. So what I'm feeling like is you've been determined. You were out there fishing for whatever you wanted, and it's a day to celebrate, even if it's small celebrations. What have you accomplished so far? This can also be a good day to celebrate with other people. Go to happy hours, have a date night with your spouse. I know it's a Wednesday, but go to a wind down Wednesday or something. Just have fun. And then we get the Sun, which is all about new beginnings. There is something that is ready to be born, is what I feel like, and you're feeling it. You're seeing it, you're feeling it within you. Keep up with these positive emotions, and as you keep up with these positive emotions, then you vibrationally align with it, and you're starting to see the sun, is really what I'm getting. So I want to show you the clarification card that we got, and this is coming from the Butterfly Oracle Cards deck. And this is gracefully aging, and this is talking about maybe gracefully aging, but really what I'm feeling like in the context for everybody in this reading, it's talking about gracefully moving forward. So the cards at the beginning of the week were kind of like, you're planting the seed, you're wanting to take action, but maybe you feel stuck, or maybe there's a setback, and it was a little bit of a back and forth, maybe a little contrast in the energy. But I'm feeling like maybe you had a breakthrough and you're ready to gracefully move forward. There's so many water cards. It's like going with the flow. You know, this little puppy in the sun card is just enjoying the flowers. It's a day to just enjoy life. And as you do, then you're not trying to force and make something happen. You are moving forward from joy, from self-love. Continue to process all those emotions and all those thoughts that don't serve you, because that's what prevents you from aging gracefully and proceeding gracefully and moving forward to this next chapter gracefully. We don't want to have an abrupt change. We sometimes think we could really just want to snap our fingers and have everything we wanted, but it would rattle our world so much that we'd have a nervous breakdown. Instead, the energies and the universe are giving you this chance to gracefully move into this next stage of your life. And these cards are coming to tell you it's coming, it's here. Maybe you're seeing signs of it. Be grateful for those signs. Live in joy today. I hope you have a wonderful day. So much love and light.